supposed to be a redo, and I don't know what I want. Yeah. Lipstick.
Wish you were here right now. All of the things I do, I wanna get freaky on camera. I love when we get freaky on camera. Is you into it? Let's break the internet. We do it the best when we have side by side.
I just come to do my thing, gotta keep that man, eater fit, dreads swinging while I'm banging. When I'm finished, still hanging. Yep, I don't know what you was thinking, but I'm young and I've been drinking now.
It always seems like when I do one look, I kind of get inspired for like 50 others, because when I was painting the Joker on my neck, it reminded me of the girl from the movie The Orphan, since she always wore a choker. And this right here, right now, is giving me Bellatrix vibes, so I could have done her makeup as well, but, you know, it works out, I guess. I don't know.
Nigga, don't do it, you blew it. You tryna cast spells on a bitch with potions. Nigga, I need devotion. Telling me this and that, the third, that shit for the birds on ghosting. If you don't dive in that pussy like dolphins, if you don't dive in that pussy like oceans, swings that eye, then they call it like oceans. Nigga, don't hide when the pussy be open. Nigga, one spot on that pussy like Austin. Make you horny, baby. That's my ego that you stroking. Nigga, don't laugh, cause the pussy ain't joking. Nigga, don't splash when the pussy be soaking.
These give the best head massage ever. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. Oh. I see why cats like to be pet. Oh, my face is super sticky. I'm gonna take these little teeth out because I use them again. Come on. There's one, two. At least they're coming off. Ugh. And I still on. Are these teeth? I don't know. I don't know what I did. I don't remember. I think so. Are you a tooth? Yep. Is there any more teeth? Hello, teeth. What are you? Ouch. Nope. Are you digging for gold? Hey. I'm a dentist. I think that's all the teeth. I'm pretty sure. Alright. Oh. You know, you see, this is my skin. My skin doesn't want to come off. I need it to come off. Because you hurt me. And I gotta go to bed. Ah, that hurt.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna be so sorry. Young
Beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous. Oh, it's all my neck hair. Oh. These are always cool to do, but before I flash you, it's hella sticky and gross, and I can't see out of my eye. This eye. I feel like blood got in it. I don't know. Ow. I shouldn't have did that. Ow. Okay. This definitely is a challenge to do anything with these fingers. It's sort of getting it. Alright, I need to focus. feel like Edward Scissorhands. Oh. You can do it. Go, go, go. Oh. Okay. Maybe if I use all. I don't know how people can function with super long nails either. I guess if they master it and it's not like thin cheap plastic like this is, and it's not fitting my fingers properly. No, I don't want to use my thumb. No thumbs. I feel like I have to sneeze. My nose is itchy. Okay. I can't get the rest. I'm gonna use my hands.